Hello and welcome to another update about ADA here as we are in a new trading week. A lot of volatility yesterday towards the weekly candle close. Explained that in the Bitcoin video already. And yesterday, as I said to you, we had not yet broken the 0.448 level. Yeah, there were a few fake outs above that, as you can see, but it was not a substantial breakout above that level. That is what we want to see, what we need to see to get the confirmation that we indeed are going higher at the moment. And that is true for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I repeat it again and again. I tell you that I think we are close to a bottom here in the low generally across the market. And I expect a bit of a relief rally or recovery. If that's going to be corrective or impulsive, we will have to see. But again, short term, as long as we don't make higher highs and higher lows here, we are still in a downtrend. And the key level here to break was the 0.448 level. That was the first level to break and to get some confirmation. And to be fair, it looked better than, for example, if you look at Bitcoin or Ethereum. And that also helped ADA now to not drop that much further. As you can see, we slightly went below the low of yesterday. Not much though, only a few fractions of a cent. But still, not a substantial breakout here. And as I said, the 0.448 level would only be the first level to give us some more comfort that the low is in here. Above that, we have that gives more confidence, that overlap with wave 1, and that is at 46.3 cents. Now, due to the latest price movements, we can also look at this. I mean, how do we make sense of this price movement now? Because it can't be anymore that this was the wave 3 low, this was the wave 4 high, and that this was the 5 low. That's not possible anymore. Not in this particular scenario, because we obviously made a new low. And due to the proportions here, it could be that this wave 4 was never finished. This one, So the best way of making that work is, in my opinion, so the assumption was correct that we're in a 5-wave impulse down, but the latest price movements, one way of making sense of it that would also allow for further downside. So again, it is that level that is so critical here, the 0.448 level. One way is to understand all of this as a triangle, A, B, C, D, E. So if this is a triangle, the wave E high was here at exactly at 0.448. Therefore, again, this level is so crucial. If now we trade above this level, it would indicate the low is already in here. But again, basically, while the internals change here of this wave count, it remains the critical level, the 0.448 level. So basically unchanged to the previous video. But this is the level we need to get above. So first indication that this low is in of the wave 5, and it could be in now again because we made a new low, but that could have only been the first wave of a 5th wave. This could be the second wave of a 5th wave, and we have to assume that unless we go above 0.448. So, and then next we would expect in this scenario, unless we break above 0.448, that we go down lower in a wave 3, then there will be a wave 4 and a wave 5. But if we do that, then we'll probably have to change the overall assumption, because there is not much more space. We can really only drop all the way down to 40.3 cents before we make a new low. And if we do that, we have to change the higher level wave count. I explained in the previous video how we have to do that then, because we can't rule out the fact that we will go lower. Of course not. And as I said in the previous videos, the ADA chart has really it is now looking very weak due to the latest drops, which means we're very close to that low, which would have the advantage if we break below this low at 40.3 cents, that we at least tidy up all the mess, because the overall structure wasn't great. So again, if we go below 42 cents, we have to assume that we also go below 40.3. So for me, the 42 cent level is still very relevant. It is the 88.7% fib level. Until that gets taken out, we can still leave the bullish chart on the map here, yeah. But as soon as we go below this, we have to change the overall wave count. And already showed you in previous videos what we have to do. We have to count all of this then as a large triangle that would break to the downside if we go below 40.3 cents. And then the next key target for me is the 29 to 30 cent level. That is of the higher level ADA chart, the 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, so for now we can still, let's say, not hope, but the bulls still have a chance to defend that bullish scenario as long as we stay above 42 cents. Okay, and that's my update about ADA. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.